Dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also, and you have lots of work. You are practicing many things at home, right? Today I am here with the second part of your video, that chapter 6 video, expert detectives. Okay. In the first video, you came to know that this story is all about detectives. Okay, and you came to know who were the detectives in this story, Maya and Nishad, both of them brother and sister, and they were trying to find out all about Mr. Nath, right? Here we will come to know more about him and how the story ended, right? The narrator makes a long list of all informations. Already you know that they were trying to list informations all about that Mr. Nath. He was staying in that Shankar's house, and Nishad and Maya, both of them were trying to find out informations about him. Maya, she was always saying कि Mr. Nath, he is a criminal, he is an escaped person, and on the other hand that Nishad, number 7, okay, he was saying no, you are, don't think like that, you cannot say like that, he is a nice person, and many clues he was having, as he was a nice person because he always give tips to that person who brought food for him from the restaurant, and he didn't talk to anyone. He is quiet, he is very alone in his room. So he is not like that, but Maya's, according to Maya, he was an escaped person, a criminal. Now what are the informations Maya collected? Many informations are there. Okay, she said he is not working, he didn't have or he doesn't have any job, then also he is able to pay money. Okay, and I think he is having lots of money in the trunk which is kept inside the room, maybe gold coins, maybe silver coins, and lots of money, maybe millionaires. He may be millionaire, and because of that only, and he didn't have any friends, you know. Maya's, according to Maya's guess, she was telling okay, he didn't have any friend, right? See, he was alone. Why he was living alone? Why he didn't have any friends? Why he didn't have friends, right? Maybe he is a criminal person, because of that no one is coming to meet him, and he is not bothering about his food also. Whichever food is coming to him, he is happily is eating, and without thinking, without knowing how much he have to pay, he is paying, means he is having lots of money, and it is only possible to a criminal, because he is not earning, and then also he is having this much money, right? And Nishad always, he is against of Maya. He said no, unless I don't think like that, he is not like that. Maya said he is in that room for more than 1 year, and he didn't get any mails also. He didn't get mail. He didn't get any mail from other. He didn't get any letter from others, and no friends visited him. Okay, so maybe these are the reason he is a criminal, and that's why people are not interested to meet him. So he has no visitors. Only on Sunday one person used to come over there, and he meets him, and both of them together they eat food, and Ramesh used to purchase food, lunch for them, and as he was having much money. Because of that he is not bothering about how much to pay and what to pay and which food is paid in against that money. So, because of that maybe he is a criminal. Maya is always finding that clues how to prove that he is a criminal. Okay, he is an escaped person, but Nishad, he is not like that. He is always trying to make the person very good. He collecting informations about his good qualities, and Maya, she is always collecting informations about uh, that Mr. Nath, how to prove he is a criminal, right. So, Nishad always saying no, no, he is a poor person. They see him, he is very thin and he is not taking too much food and very quiet in the room, and you do not say like that he is a criminal. Okay. Both of them always argues with this, both of them always argued with this topic. Okay. One is ready to prove that he is a criminal and one is ready to prove that he is not a criminal. The person Maya again got a clue. She says that on Sundays only one person uh, used to come to him to meet him, and that is maybe he is also a criminal. Because of that only one person is coming to give him or provide him money, or he comes to share loots, as he is a not good person. So, it is clear that he is a criminal because only one person is coming to him and other person they are not coming, no mail he is getting, no person, no friends. So, maybe because of that is, and this is concrete proof, this is that or proof that he is a criminal. Why don't you understand? Maya always argued with निशाद कि तुम क्यों विश्वास नहीं कर रहे हो, इतने सारे तो क्लूज तो मिल रहे हैं, तो आपको तो ये समझ लेना चाहिए वो क्रिमिनल है. बट निशाद ही इज नॉट रेडी टू accept that what Maya is saying always. Okay. So, he says that he will not cooperate in their investigations. So, Maya came to know that Nishad is always against to her, he is not cooperating to investigate the person. So, because of that what to do? Now, Maya came to know it is very difficult to make him understand, it is very difficult to make her brother understand that he is a criminal person. So, what to do? This way they will argue, that argument will be continued. So, better leave it that chapter, and Maya came to know it is not possible to make him understand. So, better we will stop. Okay. So, he declares that he likes Mr. Nath. Nishad, he told, I likes him very much, and you do not like, that is your problem, but he is a nice person so far I know. And Maya always trying to find out faults, find out that points, how to prove him a criminal. Okay. He will try to befriend him. The narrator loves at the madness of Nishad. So, the narrator he loves Nishad's madness. Nishad is always trying to make the person a good person. He is not going to agree with Maya. Okay. And though she is his sister, but then also he is not ready to accept what she is saying, right. And seeing that argument, seeing that points they are discussing, the author is very impressed by the discussion, by the opinion of Nishad. He wants him at the police would take him also to jail along with his friend Nishad works. So, Nishad, seeing that Nishad is so interested to be with the man, and Nishad is so interested to make the person very good person, gentle person, genuine person, and that Maya is always against. So, seeing that, thinking that he would also be taken to the jail along with that Mr. Nath, because he is so eager to know him as a good person, he is not ready to accept that he is a bad person. Okay. So, this way chapter ended. Maya came to know it is very difficult to make my brother understand that he is a criminal. So, hope you understood. Thank you so much. Bye.